Guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we got a 2003 MazdaSpeed Protege. And this is going to be a car that we're going to be working on, just fixing up, bringing it back to original shape. We got some plans, a couple upgrades. But yeah, this is a 4-cylinder, turbocharged, 5-speed manual. It's got a LSD stock, limited slip, 17-inch Racing Heart wheels from the factory, spoiler. So in 2003, this was kind of like a from the factory tuner car. You can see it's seen better days, but everything's in good shape except for this door. This door is going to get replaced. The interior showing 102,000. Keep in mind it's about 32 degrees right now. Let's see how she starts up cold. Not bad. Like I said, 5-speed. Everything's badged MazdaSpeed, which is pretty cool. Steering wheel used and kind of in rough shape. So either we're going to restore this or potentially just swap it out. We already took the factory radio out. It's a Kenwood unit that has a lot of issues. So we're going to throw something generic in there, something with Bluetooth, just for the time being, nothing expensive. Thinking maybe we can throw our gauges right here, wide band and boost gauge. We have a check engine light on. Right now, it appears to be the oxygen sensors. So we'll get those oxygen sensors swapped out, get that check engine light off, and then it just needs a general cleaning. We'll pull out the seats. Let's check out underneath the hood. We put the K&N on. We're gonna put a heat shield on it. The original air box is in the garage. New valve cover gasket. Garrett turbo with Callaway parts from the factory. New serpentine belt is on it. Pretty neat little car. Stabilizer bar across the struts. All the fluids look good. Looks like we gotta replace a couple motor mounts. Looks like we have a new alternator in there. But the car runs excellent. We just gotta get it registered and insured, and we can take it for a test drive. Very simple car, very light. I wanna say the car is, I shouldn't say very light. It looks like the total weight of the vehicle is 3,600, but I'd have to confirm that. It seems a little on the heavy side. It's kind of what my Volvo wagon is tipping the scale at. This is the trunk. Needs to be cleaned, obviously. It's cool. It's got a nice little stereo system in there. So once we get our head unit in, we can kind of check it out. Got an amplifier, subwoofer, all Kenwood stuff. It's pretty cool. A little bit of rust. Not a big deal. We can address that when we're going around doing some of the body work. Get that rust taken care of. Get a little caulking on there. Nice, quiet. Sure, it's got a little pep. MazdaSpeed exhaust. Need new tires. We'll do the brakes on it. Suspension is actually in good shape. Maybe we're gonna do the upper strut bearings or mounts. I think we got a little clunking on this side. But yeah, hard lines for the turbo, maybe a front mount intercooler. Just a little bit more reliable. We want to try to keep it as stock as possible. Kind of bring it back to life and back to its original condition. So yeah, guys, just a quick video today. This is gonna be our new car we'll be working on, amongst other cars, you know, whichever cars we have come through. Let me know if you want to see anything done to the car, if you have any ideas, or if you guys are want to see anything done to any of the other cars that you've seen on the channel so far. We're still new, we're still getting rolling here. Thank you for all the likes and the subscriptions. It really helps a lot. And yeah, I like making these videos and sharing all this information with you. And this is kind of a neat car that we came across, and we're gonna, you know, it's not very common, so we're gonna see what we can do with it. Maybe we can make a little power. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.